guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you could recover back or how you could retrieve the sleep option for your start menu. So when you click on start menu, you go to the start button and you realize that you are missing the sleep option. To recover that, you will need to click on the search tab and you will need to type control panel. Once your control panel opened, if you have view by large or small icon, make sure to change the category. And here you will just click on System and Security. We will then choose Power Options. In the Power Options on the left panel, we will select Choose what the power buttons do. And here we're going to click Change settings that are currently unavailable. And here we're going to select the missing button of Sleep. Once done, click Save Changes. Close your control panel. Go back to check on the Start menu on the power off and on button. Here you can see that I got back the sleep button. If you don't see it back, then just try to restart your computer and you should see it again. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, or if you have any question, just write us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us to make more video tutorials, just press like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.